All right, this is a fun one. Try doing this without stopping. All right, and obviously try doing it in the fastest time as well. All right, let's go. So you got to go hard left. Now I like to basically keep myself at like 90 degrees just a little bit there. And I got to start, you got to start chasing. Now see, I waited too long. Okay, I've already screwed this one up. I'm going to have to do a pull forward because my trailer's already pointing way back here. So if I do a pull forward, I got to do it here. All right, and now we can back it in because we have to be facing out. We couldn't drive into the space because the arrows are pointing in that direction. And that's the way the truck needs to be pointing when you are stopped. All right, let's do it one more time. And I'm not going to actually stop this time. Let's see if I can pull it off. All right, I got to start chasing at the right time. Okay, so right now we're parallel, and it's roughly around here. No, no. Oh, see, it's so hard to judge. Very hard to judge. Am I going to be able to pull it off? No. One more time. One more time. Okay, back it up. I shouldn't be doing it fast. I really should be going slow. Okay, so right now this is the 90. We want to do it roughly around here. And it's kind of hard to judge. And if I think I'm going to be able to pull this one off. Yes. All right. Difficult. Oh no! See, I'm going too fast, so I'm out of control. And I think I might have gotten away with it. Okay, there we go. 30 seconds. That's your time to beat.